Hello and welcome to today's video, where I'm going to be going through the installation process of Olixar's film screen protector on their Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. The process will take no longer than 5 minutes to complete. Once I've applied the film to the phone's display, I will be reviewing the overall look and the performance of the screen with the protector attached. Before applying the screen protector, I would always recommend turning off your phone just so the display doesn't keep activating during the application. I would also suggest removing your fingerprint and then reapplying after the film has been placed. When purchasing the film protector, you will also receive all of the tools which will be needed to assist you when fitting the film. These tools consist of an application card, wet wipes, microfiber cloth, guide stickers and a dust remover sticker. To get things started, we need to ensure that the phone screen is spotless and free from any dust before we place the film. So in order to do so, take the wet wipe and thoroughly clean the display of your device to abolish any dirt from your screen. Now, using the microfiber cloth, remove any excess liquid that may be left over from the wet wipe. Our last stage of cleaning is the dust remover sticker. Repeatedly dab the screen with the sticker to ensure there is no dust, as dust will hinder the appearance of your display post-application. With this done, we can now turn our attention to applying the film. Pull back the tab labelled 1. This will expose only a small amount of adhesive. Carefully match up this area to the top of your handset. Then use the application card to smoothly run it along the phone, whilst holding the screen protector horizontal, allowing the film to seamlessly detach from the plastic and attach to your phone's display. When it is completely attached, use the application card to firmly wipe over the film to make sure it is fitted securely. It is time to take off label 2. Do this slowly and gently. If there are any bubbles visible, push them from the centre outwards using the microfiber cloth. Do not use the application card as it will damage the ever so thin film. Emphasise wiping over the edges to ensure they do not lift. Your phone screen is now protected from scratches, allowing you to withhold the pristine condition of this valuable handset long after purchasing. And as a result of the film's oleophobic coating, it reduces any chance of fingerprints being visible on your display. So it not only protects your phone, but it also helps to keep your phone looking spotless. I have found no difference in the response rate of the phone after application, allowing me to effortlessly look through the web. This also goes for the fingerprint access. There is no interference when accessing your phone in this particular way. After the film has been installed, it goes unnoticed, allowing you to keep your phone protected without any ice or attached to your device. Many people buy a device and then have to hide the phone's original design with a bulky case to protect its visuals. So with this film attached, you can protect your handset without compromising its look. The film doesn't jeopardise the weight or size of the phone, though if you are prone to dropping your device, I would definitely suggest using a case for further protection, as this film protector is unlikely to combat any heavy impact collisions. Many glass screen protectors tend to lift slightly from the screen of the phone. This is far from the case when using this form of protection. The film is crystal clear, which means you can see the full potential of the magnificent quality of your phone screen when watching movies via your device. When first applied, I do feel a slight friction from the film, which may cause some frustration when placing it into your pocket, though over time the friction does wear off. I feel the installation process was fairly easy considering the result of the final product. Film is slightly more tricky to apply than glass protectors, though I do believe following this method it made it simple and easy. The overall performance of the handset post-application is effortless, causing no obstruction to the functions of the phone. This is a perfect way to protect your handset from the minor scuffs and scrapes of everyday use. If you would like this form of screen protection for your S20 Ultra, I have posted the link as to where you can find it in the descriptions and comments below. Let me know in the comment section what your favourite screen protector is. For more content regarding tech reviews and mobile accessories, please hit our subscribe button. Thank you for watching and enjoy the rest of your day.